Hi everyone, welcome to Java aptitude session. This is the first question, public class Ukshmas, public static void main, int a is equal to 10 while followed by 1. If a is equal to 10, I'm printing the Java, else I'm printing the Oracle. Predict the output of this code. These are all the following options. You can pause this video, you can predict the output of this code. So guys, look at this code, you will get the compile time error. So just see the error message, incompatible type, int cannot be converted into the boolean. So if you are trying to use any while or for like this, so better to use, okay, boolean type. If you use like this code is absolutely work fine. See why? Because while followed by true, it's always, you go for the infinite times, it will print. Okay, so in this case, you should use any true or false mechanism. Don't use, see, if you do unreachable statement, see here, it never entered inside the while loop. But if you use true, see, there is a no error. So you should use this type. Unreachable. So what exactly your code is? I've used like this. So don't use. If you use a 1 or any integer number, it shows the compile time error showing that incompatible types int cannot be converted to the boolean. So better to use the boolean type. The second question, guys, public class Sukshmas, public static void main, int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 0, 1, 0, and just printing the value of a as well as the b. These are all the following options. Predict the output of this code. Just observe this code. I am trying to run this code. Last program is running. I'm getting the output of last program. Still, it is running the last one only. Now we'll execute this code now. So we will get the output as 10 followed by the 8. So why exactly? This is one we call it as octal representation 0, 1, 0. How exactly this 8 will be printed means, so 0 into 8 to the power of 0. Okay, absolutely. If you are if you want to multiply with 0, absolutely result will be 0 only. We will get it 1 into 8 to the power of 1. So 8. Okay, 1 into 8 to the power of 1. 1 into 8. 8 will be displayed again. I am counting with the 0. So result will be 0 only. So here, so that is the reason it is printing the 8. This is octal representation 0, 1, 0. So that's the reason it is printing the 8. This is normal integer only. So that is the reason it is printing the 10. I'm again telling you 0 into 8 to the power of 0 plus like that we should go 1 into 8 to the power of 1 like that we should go. So that is the reason only 8 will be displayed on the screen. This is octal representation. Hope you understood this code. If you want to execute, you can execute once. You can change the values a number of times, so you will get the result. This is the third question, public class Sukshmas, public static void main, boolean b is equal to true, boolean a is equal to 0, if followed by b, if a equal to 0, I'm just printing the Java, else part, I'm just printing the Oracle. These are all the following options, guys. Predict the output of this code. And observe the code and number of errors you are getting. So we'll try to debug the error first. Whatever the value you are assigning true or false, it should be in the lower case first. This is the first point you have to remember. If you put it in the upper case, surely we'll get the compile time error like cannot find symbol variable true. So that is the reason you should put it in a lowercase, then it is fine. Again, for the second error, so incompatible type, again int cannot be converted into the boolean, so that we should assign a true or false over here. So true or false. So and then there is no error. After that, again we are checking incompatible types. Y is equal to a, again equal to 0. So instead of that, if you write a true, then this code is absolutely work fine. So that is the reason it is printing the Java. So if you are comparing, see, you will get the error, then the second error. This is the second error. Then if you are not assigning properly, this is the third error. This is the fourth question, guys. Public class Sukshma's public static void main. This is completely array implementation. I am just checking the declaration of an array in the Java language. So int followed by a, compilation fails at line number 5. I'm checking compilation fails at line number 6 or line number 7 or line number 8. I'm just asking you which one is a valid declaration in Java language. Guess the output, or you can say which line gives you the compilation error. Now the last line, eighth line, gives you the compilation error. All these three are valid declaration. Last one is showing the error. So now how to correct it? So if I write like this, again it is generating the error for you. Now I will remove this. See, then there is no error. The last question, guys, public class Sukshma, static int k is equal to 10, public static void main, static int k is equal to 10. If k1 is equal to k2, I'm just printing the Java, and else but I'm printing the Oracle. Predict the output of this code. These are the following options. Now, guys, completely compilation errors. Just check it and how to overcome this difficulty. I'm just showing the error. See, illegal startup expression. This one is a valid. This one is a completely invalid. And again, it's showing this illegal startup type and else illegal startup type. Again, class interface are enum expected. To overcome this, all the difficulty, just do only one thing. Just remove the static. That's it. Just remove the static inside the static method, then there is no error. Inside the static method, we can initialize the static variable, but we cannot declare and initialize the static variable at a time. If you do like this, you will get the compile time error. So instead of that, what you can do is another way is static into d. I can declare like this, just checking, see, then there is no error here in this case, but here error. So in this case, we should remove the static. This code is absolutely work fine. Hello guys, do follow me on Sukshmas for more questions, e-note as well as the MCQ. If you are beyond knowing participant, try to order my code as well as the option, then post it as a MCQ on Sukshmas platform to get very good quality bonus point. And one more thing, if you want to become a mentor at Sukshmas, just click on the Beyond Knowing the tab and click on the details. And here, BK mentor, and kindly follow these rules and regulations and read about the mentor policies and all. So if you want to become a mentor, so if you are, you have to following these rules. If you are satisfied with these rules, so Sukshmas will provide you scholarship or stipend up to 5K per month. Kindly practice well and see you in my next session. Thank you all.